Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Stephen Horn, and today I'm going to give you 2 tips to help you generate up to 20 leads per day. Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Stephen Horn, and today we're covering how to get up to 20 leads with affiliate marketing. Before we get too far in the video, I want to remind you to click that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss the next time I drop another affiliate marketing tips, trick, or strategy video. We're going to log into my Builderall account so I can show you these 2 simple methods to get in leads every day. Okay, so we're sitting in my Builderall account and we're going to go to the Pixel Perfect Builder because one of my sales funnel actually is a perfect example of the 2 ways to get in up to 20 leads per day. I am no longer sending traffic to this sales funnel, but it is still getting leads every single day. Maybe not 20 per day, but when I was promoting it, it was getting up to 20 leads per day. So the sales funnel I want to show you today is this one right here, my free training sales funnel. Now, when you are using this method, if you don't have enough money to start off with a sales funnel, that's perfectly okay, because my next 2 videos is going to cover how to do this without having a sales funnel or without using a website. Now, the first method I want to talk to you about is social proof. Social proof is a good way of encouraging people to leave their contact information for whatever product or tool that you're promoting. If you come down here into this left hand corner, you see this box that keep popping up and saying so and so from wherever had got their free copy in X amount of days. This is an example of social proof. There are other examples and we'll do a video on that another day, but I want to show one example right here. Now, the next method I want to talk to you about is lead generation. Lead generation is basically giving somebody something of value for free or low cost. When I say low cost, I mean anywhere between $1 to maybe $10. I don't really advise of going anything higher. I think it kind of start declining in conversion once you hit the $10 mark. This funnel is a good example of a lead generation because not only does it get them in and give them information, it gives them information over a course of 3 days. So in order to get the whole training, they have to open their email 3 times. This trains people to be on the lookout for more of your emails because you're giving away so much value within the first 3 emails. Not only that, but it also establishes you as an authority figure as well as building trust between you and the subscriber. Now I'm going to back out of this. I'm going to back out of the website for just a moment, and we're going to go into the editor so I can show you exactly what I mean by providing value over a course of 3 days. Okay, we're in the editor, and now I'm going to go through the different pages so that you can see just how this sales funnel is built out. Right here is the home page, but if we come over here and we open it up to the home page, then sends you to the thank you page, which then sends you to which then asks you to check your email, and after you confirm your email, it will send you to video number 1. At the end of video number 1, Liam states that there are 2 more videos on the way as a way to get people on the lookout for those videos. And he does this again after video number 2. After video number 2, he leaves a free trial to Builderall where somebody can go and get Builderall for 7 days and test out the product. But also at the end of video number 2, he alludes to video number 3 as being the final video with a special offer at the end. This encourages people to open up video number 3 in order to get the final course and to get that special offer at the end of the video. So let's go ahead and head over to video number 3 right now. At the end of video number 3, Liam ties his personal story into the course to show you how this system has helped him. He also leaves bonuses for those who sign up under him, which is everything that you see down here. Basically, he did a 3-day course with everything leading back up into Builderall, and this system personally helped me make my first $10,000 with the Builderall system. When I first started using Builderall, I was actually new to building funnels and things, so having a done-for-you high converting funnel really helped explode my commissions in the first few months that I was with the system. Now from there, I have given access to this funnel to everyone who has joined under me. Now, funnels are not the only way of using lead generation, and I will cover the other ways of using lead generation in next week's video. Most of them are free methods that you can start using as soon as you watch the video. Now, before you go, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the bell notification so you know the next time I drop another video.